Greetings everyone! Are you planning a business trip to Morocco? Before you embark on your journey, you will need a visa. To make it even more convenient, we will guide you through each step of the process. First things first, head over to the official Moroccan visa website. Once you're on the website, you'll see a section for visa applications. Click on that and look for the Business eVisa option. Now, it's time to fill out the application form. This is where you'll enter all your important information. You know, the usual suspects. Full name, make sure it matches your passport, birth date, passport details, and travel dates. Now it's time to pay the eVisa fee. The website will redirect you to a secure payment gateway. You can use your credit card, debit card, or even PayPal. Just choose your preferred method, enter your details, and voila, payment done. You'll receive a confirmation email once the payment goes through. Keep this email safe and sound, along with your dancing shoes, because you'll be dancing for joy once you get that Moroccan visa. Next, you'll need to upload a few supporting documents. First up, a clear copy of your passport, travel insurance, and a recent passport-sized photograph. Once you've uploaded everything, go ahead and hit that submit button. All that's left to do is wait for your eVisa to be processed. You'll receive an email notification once it's ready. So print out a copy of your eVisa and keep it with your passport. And that's it. You're officially ready to pack your bags, grab your passport, and head to Morocco. And that's it. With your Morocco Business eVisa in hand, you're ready to explore new opportunities in this vibrant country.